Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming safety and locating all fasteners. You wear eye protection and gloves. Once checked, support the panel to prevent sagging, then drill out rivets or remove screws, work from one corner toward the middle. You should label each fastener group and take photos so reassembly matches the original layout. If the substrate is loose, prop it with a temporary brace. This prevents twisting. Make sure to clear debris and keep removed parts organized so you can reference them in the next step. You now focus on the core repair. Restore the framing or backing so the panel has a solid, straight base. Cut and weld or bolt in new frame pieces if metal, or secure replacement plywood with marine adhesive and screws if wood. This keeps panels from flexing. Once the substrate is true, test fit the panel and trim minimal material to achieve a flush gap. You want even spacing around edges. Then plan your fastener pattern and prep sealant and washers to prevent water intrusion and galvanic corrosion. You align the panel, start fastening at the center and work outward. Tighten fasteners progressively so the panel seats flat without buckling. Once attached, run a continuous bead of marine-grade sealant along seams and rivet lines, then tool it smooth for drainage. Allow cure time, then do a hose test and inspect for leaks or movement. If you see shifting or weeping, loosen nearby fasteners, reseat the panel, add more sealant, and retorque. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent leaks occur, remove the suspect section and check backing for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.